Notre-Dame is one of the most famous churches in the world. It stands in the center of Paris, France. The cathedral sits on a small island in the River Seine. For more than 800 years, people have come here to pray, learn, and admire its beauty. Construction began in the year 1163. The Bishop of Paris wanted a great church for the city. Workers cut heavy stone by hand. Builders used simple tools. There were no machines. Many generations worked on the cathedral. Some workers never saw it finished. After almost 200 years, Notre Dame was complete. The building is Gothic in style. Gothic cathedrals are tall and filled with light. They use strong arches and flying buttresses to hold the walls. This allowed builders to add large windows. Colorful stained glass filled the church with light and stories. These windows helped people understand religion at a time when many could not read. Inside, music and bells filled the air. Kings were crowned nearby. Important ceremonies took place. Notre Dame became part of French history. But time was not always kind. During the French Revolution, the cathedral was damaged. Many statues were destroyed. For many years, people forgot about it. Then, a writer helped save the church. Victor Hugo wrote a famous story called The Hunchback of Notre Dame. People began to see the cathedral as something special again. Restoration work began. Artists repaired statues. Builders strengthened the towers. Notre Dame became a symbol of Paris once more. Millions of visitors came every year. They climbed the towers. They listened to the bells. They watched the city from above. In 2019, a large fire damaged the roof and spire. People around the world watched in shock. But the story did not end there. France began rebuilding the cathedral. Experts worked carefully to protect every detail. Today, Notre Dame stands again as a symbol of history, strength, and hope. It reminds us that even after loss, beauty can return. Thank you for listening.